So this is a 3-bedroom with a formal dining room. This is the living room. Has a great light and views of the GW Bridge. Going off to this wing with 2 bedrooms, we have a bathroom, fully renovated. It's the first bedroom. It's facing east. It's Broadway. And south. Nice closet. Okay, this is the second bedroom. Facing east and north. It's a very nice closet. Here's the living room again. Hi. Bye. I'll see you later. Here's the dining room. Facing west. Sorry, that was south. Here's the kitchen. All brand new appliances, counters and cabinets, dishwasher. Here's extra storage here. And then this will be facing east again. And then this is the third bedroom. Facing east. With the half bath. And throughout the apartment there's molding on the edges. Okay, back to the dining room and then living room and the